Today I'm finishing up this custom dog portrait, and before it goes to its new home, it needs to be wired for hanging. If you've ever struggled with flimsy wire or you just weren't sure where to place your hardware, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the exact simple way I wire my canvases so they're secure, balanced, and ready to hang. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need D-ring hangers. They come with screws, but it does not include the wires, so you'll need to buy that separately. So I grabbed 30-pound picture wire. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a pen or pencil, and then you're all set to go. Next, you'll flip the canvas around so you're working on the back, and you want to measure about 1/3 of the way down from the top on each side. I had a brain fart. My canvas is 16 inches tall, and I'll be honest, I had a bit of a brain fart doing the math, so I just went with 5 inches down to keep it simple. As long as you're close to 1/3 of the way down, you're good. So make a small mark on both sides where the D-rings will go. Now, screw the D-rings into the canvas at your marks. Make sure they're tight, but leave just a little bit of wiggle room so the rings can move slightly. That flexibility will help the wire sit naturally when the painting is hung. Next, measure your wire. I like to cut it with a few extra inches on each side, enough to work with, but not too much that it gets messy. To attach the wire, create a loop and feed it through one of the D-rings. Then pull both ends of the wire through the loop and tighten it. Leave a little extra wire. Sorry, I got lost for a second there. Like so. And pull it through tightly as you can, and then flip it. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Before you tighten the wire on the other side, you want to make sure you leave a little extra room for give on the wire. If it's too tight, you're not going to be able to hang it on the wall. And if it's too loose, it's going to introduce a whole bunch of other issues with hanging it. So leave a little room for give before you tighten the wire. Once both sides are attached, braid the leftover wire around the main wire to secure it on both sides. Make sure you bend any sharp ends inwards so no one gets cut when handling the painting. And that's it. Once my painting is wired, I also hot glue my business card to the back, write the title of the piece, and sign it before sending it off to the client. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video for later. If you're an artist, let me know in the comments what you struggle with most when finishing your paintings. I'd love to make more tutorials like this.